I looked at her.
Star Tours passenger Lot 4. Please pick up the nearest white courtesy complex. Passenger Lot 4 to the nearest white courtesy complex. Thank you.
Attention. The Lost and Unclaimed Baggage Center is located on level 1. Bags may only be claimed by showing the receipt to the spaceport baggage attendant during regular operating hours. Thank you.
What have we here? Seems like someone ignored the fact that animals are not allowed in checked baggage.
All clear.
I'm sorry. No droids are allowed in this launch. You're not a droid. Oh, yeah, my apologies.
Clear.
That wasn't
Keep it tight.
Alright, stay together. Here wins. Whoa.
Restaurante letter E. Letter E.
Row 2 for me, row 2.
Ah, Did you thank goodness I caught you? I just received word that the captain is having some sort of technical problem. And that's why I'm the systems analyst and you are the astromech. Don't you tell me to hurry, you overgrown blob of grease. I know exactly what time you depart. You just do your job, and I'll do mine. Excuse me, Captain.
Who are you?
C-3PO, systems analyst.
It's about time. The binary motivator's out.
Well, binary is like a second language to me, but I can't fix the motivator from here.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off you go on, shoot. Tour droids. Really? What? Oh, now this is malfunctioning too. This could take longer than I thought.
Quick, we're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened, and please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado, y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Star Tours passengers, this is flight control. Please stow all personal items in the compartment below your seat. Remain seated throughout the flight and supervise your children.
Hi, welcome to Star Tours, flight 1401 XL. How do you fly with us? You remain seated for the duration of the flight with your seatbelt securely fastened. We will be doing seatbelt checks to make sure everybody's buckled. Everybody in row one buckled? Awesome, thank you. My Han Solo row, please pull on the yellow tab. Can you pull on the yellow tab for me? Thank you. R2s, please pull on that yellow tab. Everybody needs to pull so I can fly. Can you please pull on that yellow tab for me? Can you please pull on that yellow tab? Please pull on that yellow tab on your right. Thank you. On your left, my bad. Please pull on the yellow tab. See if your PO's awesome. Can you report to the zero? Please pull on the yellow tab.
Anoche me decía, donde lo saque lo mato.
Lo acabo. Lo termino.
You guys can put on your flight glasses, enjoy your flight, may the fourth be with you because I will not be.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am C.
We know you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Oh dear. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power. I want that spy.
Now what? Hot race! I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him! Gives us twice the power! We won! Now cut the power and let's get out of here! Watch out!
Agent, buckle to our rebel cause.
The spy?
Precisely.
Una montada interna de
Deliver them seat feet to the rendezvous point I am transmitting to your R2 unit. Good luck, and may the Force be with you.
What are you saying? This is madness! Shields up onto! I wasn't programmed for this! Asteroids! Got to get them off before they rip us apart! They severed the controls! Pull up! R2, pull up! Well done, R2! Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look, Hutton, a platform! Let's land there! Thank the maker!
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe.
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying Star Tours.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.